creative berries! Welcome to another Connect the Dots drawing video. Welcome if it's your first time and welcome back if you've been here before. This video we're going to be drawing this little guy. The classic LEGO minifigure. So he's going to look like this. So make sure to get your dot-to-dot printable in the description below, or you can get a piece of paper, pencil, and marker and just follow along. Come on, let's get drawing! So I've got my pen here, but this video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of connecting all the numbers sequentially all the way along to create an outline, we're going to draw it in sections. Just like this. This will help you later so you don't have to do as many details because you're going to be having blocks of your work already done. So let's go and try it. We start at number 1, which is up here. We're going to draw this section here first. So first we grab our pen and we do a small curve from 1 to 2, like this. Now I bring my ruler because we want a straight line from 2 to 3, and then a small curve to 4. Now instead of going to 5, we're actually connecting to 79 with a straight line. Because remember, we're doing things in sections. So we're working on the top part of his head first. And then from 79, a little curve to 80. Straight line to 81. Curve to 82. And connecting back to 1. Take a straight line all the way to 78, straight to 5. See, that's the top part of his head. Now as you can see, from 5 to 6 we're going to do a curve, straight, and we're doing this section next. Straight to 7, curve to 8, straight to 75, curve to 76, straight to 77, and a curve to 78. And there you go, you've just done his head. Now we're going back to number 8 and doing a straight line to 9. Next we're going to be working on his body, which is right here. And I'm going to go over here and do it from 74 and 5. We're doing a straight line here too. There. Now we're going to go and do a 9 and 10 and connect them, but we're also going to connect it back here to 73 and 4. So we're actually doing a line from 73 to 10. Like that. Now a small curve to 11. And we're going to do the same thing, a small curve from 73 to 72. So on this side we're counting backwards. We're doing a straight line to 32. Curve to 33. Straight line all the way to 48. Curve to 49. Straight up to 72. And there's his body. Next we're going to work on the legs, and that's this section right here. So from 33 to 37 we're going to do a straight line. We're doing a straight line here from 37 to 44, but we're going to stop and we're going to skip these ones from 38 to 33. And on this side, I'm going to connect his other leg from 44 all the way to 48. And here you can see we're just going to do and connect these lines right in the middle here. And right here, what you're going to do is, you see this, there's a line right along here. So you're going to connect these four all the way together, 35, 40, 41, and 46. Go straight across. And there you go. See, you've got some legs, you have a body, you've got the head, and what's happening here is these are going to be the arms. So you're going to go back up to 11 and curve a bit to 12 and down a bit to 13. Straight to 14. Straight to 15. A little bit of a curve to 16. Straight to 17. Curve 18, 19, 20. Curve a bit to 21. And now we're curving the other way. 22, 23, 4, 5. Backwards to 26. 27, 8, 9. Straight to 30. And curve back over here to 31 like that. So see, we've just done one arm. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So you can start up here and work your way down, or you can start down here and work your way up. I'm going to actually work backwards. So from 72, 170, curve, straight to 69, straight to 68, curve a bit on 67, straight to 66, 65, 4, 3, curve a bit upwards to 62, backwards again, all the way to 58, 61, 60, 59, and 8, curve down to 57, 6, 5, 4, up, and a bit of a curve in 52. And I'm bringing my ruler out because 51 to 50 is actually just a little bit out from beside his arm. There you go. You've got your outline and you've got some details done of your Lego figure. I extend a few lines to finish off his hands, and if you'll notice, I'm just connecting dots one side to the other on the pants to define them. And then I take my circle template and I do the eyes and a smile for the mouth. We finish off our drawing by making lines thicker or fixing any mistakes that we made. Now it's time to color. I pick my colors ahead of time that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to start with the yellow one first and put the rest off to the side. So I color the head and the hands yellow, just like our minifigure model. As I'm drawing, I make sure to leave some spaces of white for highlights, so you don't want to color those ones in. Next, if you remember, the minifigure had gray pants, but I don't want to make them gray, so I pick blue instead. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. After the pants, I'm going to do the red stripes on his shirt, but I make sure to go ahead and draw those with pencil first before I take my red marker. I always pick my colors that I'm going to use before I start my coloring, and make sure that you pick dark colors for shadows as well. Next, I'm doing the stripes on his shirt. Remember, I used a pencil first to draw my lines and I went over them again with my marker. Now I'm using a light gray to draw the shadows on the white part of his shirt. Any highlights you want to create in your pictures, make sure that you color around them. Now I'm going to use the same gray marker and blend the highlight at his pants. Now I'm using two different gray markers, one to do the shadows on his face and his hands, and the darker one to do shadows on his pants. You don't have to use grays, you can use a dark yellow and a dark blue instead if you want. Well everybody, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. As always, I enjoyed drawing with you. So take care and make sure to come back for the next video. Bye-bye!